Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Professor German. I'm Max.
And I'm Lisa. Hi, everyone.
Today we have a very important topic, going to the doctor in Germany.
Oh, yes. This is so important. Last month I had a terrible cold, and I didn't know what to say at the doctor's office.
Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say. We'll cover everything from making an appointment to getting your prescription at the pharmacy.
Perfect. This is really useful for everyone, not just travelers.
Absolutely. Whether you're living in Germany or just visiting, knowing medical German is essential.
Hey, everyone. Before we start, if you're new here, welcome to Professor German. We make learning German easy and fun through real conversations.
That's right. And if you find today's lesson helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more learners.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
All right, Lisa. Are you ready to learn some medical German?
Yes. Let's start.
Okay, first things first. If you're sick in Germany, you need to make an appointment. The German word for doctor is der Arzt. The doctor.
Is that for male doctors?
Good question. Yes, that's masculine. For a female doctor, we say die Ärztin, the female doctor. But most people just say Arzt, and it's understood.
Okay. How do I make an appointment?
You can call and say, ich möchte einen Termin machen. I would like to make an appointment.
That's similar to other phrases we've learned.
Exactly. Or you can say, ich brauche einen Termin. I need an appointment.
What if it's urgent?
Great question. You can say, es ist dringend. It's urgent. Or, ich bin krank. I am sick.
Got it.
They'll ask you, was fehlt Ihnen? What's wrong with you? Or, was haben Sie? What do you have?
And how do I answer?
You describe your symptoms. For example, if you have a headache, you say, ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have a headache.
That's really useful.
Let's learn the most common symptoms. Headache is Kopfschmerzen. Headache.
I'll remember that one.
Stomachache is Bauchschmerzen. Stomachache.
Oh, I see a pattern. They both end in Schmerzen?
Exactly. Schmerzen means pain or ache. So toothache is Zahnschmerzen, toothache, and back pain is Rückenschmerzen, back pain.
That makes it easy.
Right. Now, if you have a fever, you say, ich habe Fieber. I have a fever.
What about a cold?
A cold is eine Erkältung, a cold. So you say, ich habe eine Erkältung. I have a cold.
And the flu?
The flu is die Grippe, the flu.
Similar to English.
Yes. Now, if you're feeling sick or nauseous, you say, mir ist schlecht. I feel sick. Or, mir ist übel. I feel nauseous.
Those are important.
Very. And if you're coughing, that's ich huste. I'm coughing. Or you can say, ich habe Husten. I have a cough.
What about sneezing?
Sneezing is niesen, to sneeze. So, ich niese. I'm sneezing.
Got it.
Now, body parts are important. Let's learn the main ones. Head is der Kopf. The head.
That's in Kopfschmerzen.
Exactly. Throat is der Hals. The throat. So sore throat is Halsschmerzen. Sore throat.
Following the pattern.
Right. Stomach is der Bauch. The stomach. Chest is die Brust. The chest. Back is der Rücken. The back.
These are all important.
Yes. Arm is der Arm. The arm. Leg is das Bein. The leg. Hand is die Hand. The hand. Foot is der Fuß. The foot.
So many words.
I know, but you'll pick them up. Now, at the doctor's office, they'll ask you, seit wann haben Sie die Beschwerden? Since when have you had the symptoms?
How do I answer?
You can say, seit gestern, since yesterday, or seit 3 Tagen, since 3 days, or seit einer Woche, since a week. And
That's clear.
they might also ask, tut das weh? Does that hurt?
And I say yes or no.
Exactly. You can say, ja, das tut weh. Yes, that hurts. Or, nein, das tut nicht weh. No, that doesn't hurt.
Perfect.
If it hurts a lot, you can say, das tut sehr weh. That hurts a lot.
Good to know.
Now the doctor might say, ich verschreibe Ihnen etwas. I'll prescribe you something.
What's that word again?
Verschreiben means to prescribe. And a prescription is das Rezept, the prescription.
So I can say,
Ich brauche ein Rezept. I need a prescription. Perfect. At the end, the doctor will usually say, Gute Besserung. Get well soon.
that's a nice phrase.
It is. You'll hear it everywhere. You can also say, Danke, auf Wiedersehen. Thanks, goodbye.
This is so helpful.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this helpful, please hit that like button right now.
Yes. And tell us in the comments. Have you ever been to a doctor in Germany? How was your experience?
We'd love to hear your stories. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. All right, let's practice with a real dialogue.
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm the receptionist at the doctor's office. You're calling to make an appointment. Ready?
Ready.
Praxis Dr. Müller, guten Tag. Dr. Müller's office, good day.
Guten Tag. Ich möchte einen Termin machen. Good day. I would like to make an appointment.
Ja, gerne. Was fehlt Ihnen? Yes, gladly. What's wrong with you?
Ich habe Kopfschmerzen und Fieber. I have a headache and fever.
Seit wann haben Sie diese Beschwerden? Since when have you had these symptoms?
Seit 3 Tagen. Since 3 days.
Verstehe. Können Sie morgen um 10 Uhr kommen? I understand. Can you come tomorrow at 10 o'clock?
Ja, das passt. Vielen Dank. Yes, that works. Many thanks.
Gerne. Bis morgen. Gute Besserung. Gladly, until tomorrow. Get well soon.
Danke. Auf Wiedersehen. Thanks. Goodbye.
Excellent. You said everything perfectly.
Thanks. That was easier than I thought.
Now let's practice being at the doctor's office. I'll be the doctor. You're the patient.
Okay?
Guten Tag. Bitte setzen Sie sich. Good day. Please sit down. Was fehlt Ihnen? What's wrong with you?
Guten Tag. Ich habe Halsschmerzen und Husten. Good day. I have a sore throat and a cough.
Sit one. Since when?
Seit einer Woche. Since a week.
Haben Sie auch Fieber? Do you also have a fever?
Ja, ein bisschen. Yes, a little bit.
Okay, ich schaue mir das an. Öffnen Sie bitte den Mund. Okay, I'll take a look at that. Open your mouth, please. Der Hals ist rot. Tut das weh? The throat is red. Does that hurt?
Ja, das tut sehr weh.
Yes, that hurts a lot. Ich verstehe. Sie haben eine Halsentzündung. I understand. You have a throat infection. Ich verschreibe Ihnen Antibiotika. I'll prescribe you antibiotics.
Danke. Wo bekomme ich die Medikamente? Thanks. Where do I get the medicine?
In jeder Apotheke mit diesem Rezept. At any pharmacy with this prescription.
Vielen Dank. Many thanks.
Gute Besserung. Und kommen Sie in einer Woche zur Kontrolle. Get well soon and come back in a week for a checkup.
Okay. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay. Goodbye.
Perfect, Lisa. That was great.
Thank you. Now what about the pharmacy?
Good question. A pharmacy is die Apotheke, the pharmacy.
And how do I ask for medicine?
You can say, ich habe ein Rezept. I have a prescription, and give them the prescription. Or if you need something without prescription, you can ask, haben Sie etwas gegen Kopfschmerzen? Do you have something for headaches?
That's easy.
Right. Other useful phrases. Haben Sie etwas gegen Husten? Do you have something for a cough? Or, haben Sie etwas gegen Schnupfen? Do you have something for a runny nose?
What's Schnupfen?
A runny nose or a stuffy nose? It's very common.
I'll remember that.
The pharmacist might ask, wie oft soll ich das nehmen? How often should I take this?
Wait, that's backwards. Shouldn't I ask that?
You're right. You ask, wie oft soll ich das nehmen? How often should I take this?
Got it.
They'll answer, dreimal täglich, 3 times daily, or zweimal täglich, twice daily.
What about before or after meals?
Before meals is vor dem Essen. Before the meal. After meals is nach dem Essen. After the meal.
Perfect.
Let's practice the pharmacy.
Okay?
Guten Tag. Kann ich Ihnen helfen? Good day. Can I help you?
Guten Tag. Ich habe ein Rezept. Good day. I have a prescription.
Ah ja, einen Moment bitte. Ah yes, one moment please. So, hier ist Ihr Medikament. So, here is your medicine.
Danke. Wie oft soll ich das nehmen? Thanks. How often should I take this?
Dreimal täglich nach dem Essen. 3 times daily after meals.
Verstanden. Was kostet das? Understood. What does that cost?
Die Krankenkasse zahlt das. Sie zahlen nur 5 Euro Rezeptgebühr. The health insurance pays that. You only pay 5 Euros prescription fee.
Okay, hier bitte. Okay, here please.
Danke, gute Besserung. Thanks, get well soon.
Vielen Dank, auf Wiedersehen. Many thanks. Goodbye.
Excellent. You're ready to go to the doctor in Germany.
I feel so much more confident now.
Before we finish, let me give you some important tips.
Yes, please.
Tip 1. In Germany, you need health insurance. Always bring your insurance card to the doctor. Die Krankenkassenkarte, the health insurance card.
That's important.
Tip 2. Many doctors speak English, but it's always appreciated if you try to speak German.
Of course.
Tip 3. If it's an emergency, you can call 112. That's the emergency number in Germany.
Like 911 in America?
Exactly. Or you can go to the emergency room, which is die Notaufnahme, the emergency room.
Good to know.
Tip 4. Pharmacies in Germany are very knowledgeable. You can ask them questions about minor health issues.
That's helpful.
And tip 5. Always say, Gute Besserung. When someone is sick, it's the polite thing to do.
I love that phrase.
Now, quick recap. We learned to make an appointment. Ich möchte einen Termin machen. I would like to make an appointment.
We learned common symptoms. Kopfschmerzen, headache. Bauchschmerzen, stomachache. Fieber, fever. Husten, cough.
Perfect. We learned to describe since when. Seit gestern, since yesterday. Seit 3 Tagen, since 3 days.
We learned body parts. Der Kopf, head, der Hals, throat, der Bauch, stomach.
Excellent. And at the pharmacy. Ich habe ein Rezept. I have a prescription. Wie oft soll ich das nehmen? How often should I take this?
And always, Gute Besserung. Get well soon.
Perfect recap.
That's everything for today?
That's right. I hope you all feel more prepared to visit a doctor in Germany now.
Me too. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Now, homework time. In the comments, write one symptom you've learned today in German.
For example, you could write, Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Or, Ich habe Husten.
We want to see what you've learned. And tell us, have you ever had to visit a doctor abroad? How was it?
Yes, share your experiences.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a big thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button.
Hit that bell icon so you get notified when we post new lessons.
Check out our other episodes on introducing yourself, greetings, ordering food, and shopping.
Share this video with friends who are learning German or planning to visit Germany.
This could really help them.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Stay healthy, everyone.
Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time.
Tschüss und gute Gesundheit. Bye. And good health.
Tschüss. Bye.